My name is Mayank Solanki and I'm the founder of VAL-ED Initiatives. Our program Saksham has been successfully running in your school with your children this past year. Today, I invite you for an event on the November 19th, which is an extension of involving you, the entire stakeholder community, to learn together. It's a very interesting event called Blindfolded Conversations. As the name suggests, it involves talking, active listening, but with the twist of being blinded. Why are we doing that? What it would lead to is something that we would love to explore with you together. What I would like to let you know is that this is something which is going to bring you and a child much more closer. It's going to build empathy, communication, and understanding of children and adults in a very, very different and a new way. I hope all of you will turn up in big numbers, and I look forward to meeting all of you on November 19th. See you there.